The MyMathLab courses that accompany Pearson texts can help your students improve their performance in the course. Independent research has shown that when MyMathLab is required and integrated into a course, students spend more time doing homework and get help right when they need it. Both of these factors contribute to increases in performance. Each MyMathLab course features thousands of assignable exercises that correspond to those in the textbook. Most of these exercises are algorithmic, so each student will end up working different exercises that are equivalent in both difficulty level and subject matter. Here is an example of an exercise as a student would see it. The bar at the top allows students to navigate to different exercises within the assignment. Here is the statement of the exercise, and down here is the area in which students enter the answer that they've worked out. Notice that the math palette to the left allows students to enter their answer exactly as they want it to appear. No knowledge of syntax is required. After typing their answer, students can check their work. Notice that the feedback that students receive is specific to the problem that they're working on. If students need help, they can click on the help buttons that appear up here to the right of the problem. You, as the instructor, control which of these help features students have access to. The button labeled Help Me Solve This opens a new window. Here, students walk through the problem a step at a time. Many steps require students to provide answers along the way. This process mirrors the process that you might use if a student came to your office and asked for help. When students complete the Help Me Solve This problem, MyMathLab automatically generates a new iteration of the homework problem that they were working on. Students then solve this newly generated problem in order to get credit. MyMathLab uses Pearson's proprietary answer-checking algorithms. The overriding goal in employing these algorithms is to accept any answer as correct that you as an instructor would reasonably accept. For instance, in this particular exercise, MyMathLab recognizes an expression that is equivalent to the answer expressed in simplest form. We've recently added a Show Work option that allows you to specify that students show their work for problems that you designate. Students can enter their work via the keyboard or upload an image of work that they've done by hand. Students who need additional help can take advantage of resources such as video lectures, available in the Multimedia Library. All exercises within MyMathLab are fully editable, including their algorithms. So if for whatever reason you find the need to modify a question, you can. And we've made it easy for you to create the right assignments for your students. You can start with pre-built assignments or start from scratch. You can even incorporate exercises from other Pearson texts, not just the one you're using for the course. MyMathLab now includes statistical information to help you make assignments. This little graphic here identifies the difficulty level of the exercise: easy, medium, difficult, or very difficult. We also include an estimated completion time for the assignment, based on student performance data for the selected exercises. After creating the assignment, you control all aspects of how students access it, including due dates, scoring options, attempts per question, access to learning aids, and so on. MyMathLab features a robust gradebook that is automatically populated as students complete their work. The gradebook can provide you with information to help you teach the course more effectively. For instance, you can easily identify homework exercises that students struggled with, allowing you to target review to areas that students are finding the most challenging. Do your students struggle because of gaps in prerequisite skills? MyMathLab provides a way for students to get help with just those skills they need. We've included extra chapters of content in MyMathLab called Getting Ready for Applied Calculus and Getting Ready for Finite Mathematics. Together, these chapters contain over 1,000 exercises that address the skill deficiencies that students might have. Included with these extra chapters are some pre-made diagnostic tests that you might use at the beginning of the term to determine which prerequisite skills your students need help with. Based on the results of the diagnostic test, each student can receive a personalized assignment that addresses only those skills he or she needs help with. With this functionality, MyMathLab provides a manageable way for you to address the wide variety of backgrounds that students bring to the course. So why have so many schools decided to require MyMathLab for applied calculus and finite mathematics? The bottom line is that it helps more students pass the courses, especially those students who are most likely to withdraw, drop, or fail. Students end up doing more homework, and they get timely feedback as they work. And it's all backed by Pearson's industry standard reliability. To learn more about MyMathLab or to read the efficacy research, please go to the website shown here. Thank you.